You know about rolling down in the deep. Rolling in the deep. Down in the deep. Yo, I know y'all be loving this shit right here. Rolling, rolling, rolling. What you gonna do? Rolling, rolling. What you gonna do? Down in the rolling, rolling, rolling. What you gonna do? Right, y'all be loving this shit.
You hear that noise? I wonder what that can be.
Cause I got the juice. The juice. Yeah, I got the juice.
Instagram,
Okay,
your
so
urban scripts.
This is a double pleasure bully that I got from Urban Secrets. Like for girls who's single, celibate, whatever the case may be, like, you know, if your man ain't fucking you right or you ain't nut, whatever the case may be, I just highly recommend this. Like, this thing don't play. And then it goes from different notches. Like, it goes. He is not gonna play with you. And I'm just showing y'all the different notches. It looks stuck, but watch this. So y'all may want to go get it.
Show me a video of you telling me you're drunk without actually telling me you're drunk.
I'm getting ripped tonight. R.I.P. that pussy. Yeah, I'm going.
Inyo na mo mag-TikTok, be. O gasa sa ko ninyo, be. Basta nanimot mo ba? Inyo pa ko gabi ha? Baka pa yung mga besong na. Samok kayo mo da. Si TikTok.